All right, I want to work on this problem. Negative 2x plus 10 minus x plus 12. Now you're like, hold up, there's no equal sign. There's no equal sign on this equation, so what do? Well, let's go back to our steps. We talked about these steps when we're solving for an unknown variable, and we're going to do the inverse operations. So the inverse operations, the opposite of addition is subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. And when we're solving for an unknown variable, we're going to follow these steps. This is distribute. So if you see the parentheses and D, that means you're going to distribute. Now we've taught you how to distribute. Then we're going to combine like terms. So maybe I should write all of that out. Yeah, so let me do this. I'll write it all out. So combine like terms. That means the terms that are alike. Combine like terms, all right? And then we're going to undo with addition or subtraction. So in this case, we're starting here, all right? You're like, hey, negative 2x plus 10 minus x plus, but I see no equal sign, so we'll work on that. Our next step is we see negative 2x plus 10 minus x plus 12. And I put a box around this one and this one. That's because they're like terms. And I underline this one and this one because they're like terms. All right, this is the x family, number family, number family. All right, we can't combine the x family with the number family, but we can combine the x family with the x family. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to rewrite it. Negative 2x minus x. This is all the x family, right? And then here, 10 plus 12. And I can combine those two, right? So negative 2 minus x. So I owe you $2, and then I borrow one more. This really, look, when we're doing algebra gets kind of lazy. So there's really a 1 in front of that x. If you see a variable by itself, there's really a 1 there, right? So there's really negative 2 minus 1x, right? There's really a variable right here. So it's really negative 2 minus 1, all right? So that would be, I owe you $2 and I borrow one more. How much do I owe you now? I owe you $3. So it's negative 3x, right? So negative 3x plus 22. And how do I get 22? 10 plus 12. I have $10. I add $12. Now I have positive $22. So I'm going to end up with negative 3x plus 22. There's no equal sign, and I can't do anything. I can't combine the x family and the number family. So this is the final answer. This is the final answer.